NTT, our partnership with them, has been fabulous. We are in the information age, and it's capturing that information which we needed to align with someone like NTT that could show us a way forward, because there is a huge amount of potential revenue that can get from this, and having the infrastructure that you guys have put in, or NTT is going to be invaluable, I think.
From our perspective, we kind of got involved early 2019. Someone said to me, there's some guys up in Upper Hutt going to build the world's most advanced athlete training facility. I went, oh yeah, that's probably going to happen. But here we are. It's been great for me. I've visited this site a few times when this was dirt, and to see it turn into this is really impressive. It's an end-to-end technology delivery delivered by NZT and a very unique environment.
Fantastic to work on such an extraordinary project, which will change the future for NZ Sports.
Big thank you to NZCIS, big thank you to NTT and all the partners. Same like Cisco, we are delighted to be part of this project, this journey. This is super impressive. This is where Dell helps. We provide that backbone, which will hopefully enable NZCIS to grow.
Hope you enjoy the day, enjoy the technology, because really it is built to invoke emotion. Dell, Cisco, you guys provide the platform for us to be able to do that. And this is why we're here. We're all feeling it, we're all loving it. And that's why we do anything, because it aligns with us. You guys from NZCIS aligned your partners because you believe that they share your vision, and that's what brings about collaboration. And that is the true hero here today.
It is just a huge honour to be a partner to New Zealand CIS, and to do so with an incredible partner like NTT. I'm 15 years in the company, and I've had a few different roles around the world, but what's been consistent has been the opportunity to get involved in projects of incredible innovation like this with NTT.